another vlog. Punta na po kami sa aming airplane. Going to Boracay. It's a carousel.
Guys, hello guys. Ito nga pala it's a carousel.
So right now, first agenda here in Bora is to eat. To eat. That's it. So ito na po, titikman na po natin ang manginasal dito sa Boracay.
Tingnan natin Tingnan natin kung magkaiba lasa.
Tingnan natin kung magkaiba ba yung lasa ng manginasal dito kasi kaganapan ngayon. So after namin kumain, masok po kami dito sa ang tawag dito tayo?
Waiting area. Dito is Lagoon. Sa
Lagoon. Pero nag-swimming kami ng hawis namin. So, sayang na! May ticket na po kami papunta ng Boracay Island. So, ayun, so sobrang pawis na pawis po ang mga kaganapan ng mga person dito. May prayer pa daw. Si Ate Rose po mag-lead.
Sasabihin niyo.
Ate Rose mag-lead.
Mag-a-assist sa bangka namin. Kaya na safe po kami makakawid ng Boracay Island. Again, we thank you for this travel, for this vacation, Lord. Bless this island, bless this city. I'm happy po na maging guide po ninyo.
Wow, thank you po.
Thank you po. Ay, may pamililo po pang kasi. Ma'am, no?
Yes.
Ano, Negros? Maro, amig na. Para ikaw yung ina-eyewitness ni Cara David.
Uy, sayang-saya kayo. Tingnan niyo yung isa dyan, oh.
Uy, mas ano ka ba?
It's our day 2 here in Boracay. It's our full day. First full day.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application.
Dahil breakfast na, first agenda is to get a coffee! Anyway guys, dito pala kami nag-stay sa Boracay Grace Hotel. And may free may breakfast na siya. Day 2 namin today and ito yung breakfast namin. Ayan. Kain!
Let's try the egg. Kakaiba yung egg dito sa Boracay.
Application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer.
Lasang corned beef.
Ano yun? Corned beef?
Parang gumaganda ako dyan, eh. Gandang-ganda ako.
Kaya pala, salita ka ng salita.
Oo. Pag hindi ko film, di kaya niya ako magsasalita. Kung ba nakikita ko, parang makahanap ako ng pagkanya isura ko, eh.
I can drive, listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive.
Hello guys, good morning.
Lumayo kami dun sa ITV.
Say hi to Blanquiel. Nainis ako sa alarm ni Gab. Ilang beses. Gising talaga ako. Sabi ko, Gab, patayin mo na. Bago niya papatayin, hintayin niya pa yung tunog ng the first. Sabi ko, patayin mo na, Gab. Tapos wala ko yung una niyang alarm. Yun na yun. Oo, yun pala. Kasi alam ko, maya eh. Hi guys, so ngayon, day 2 na namin sa Bora. And yung katabi ko ngayon, si Isasan. Hi guys, our activities for the yun sa day 2 nga pala, dito kami sa Mary Grace Hotel. Hi ka naman, te. Laki ng mukha ko kasi.
Let's clock out, you and me. Wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can couple, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Though we might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be our fall when we make our money.
So, right now, mga naka-ayos na kami. Yan ang mga outfit namin. Then, we're just waiting for the others. Yan yung ganda. Siyempre naman. Okay na siya.
Dami kong tulog eh.
Dami nga. Everyone, so now, we're on our way to the beach. Papunta kami ng beach side para mag-picture-picture! Yay! What our outfit?
Subscribe to my channel.
Pak!
This is not an outfit, it's just a swimwear. We're gonna outfit tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're gonna
For the English sa mga person. Tapos na po kami mag-picture-picture ng aming mga outfits. Hanap na po kami ng aming... Ate, siya lang po. Siya lang po yung maghahanap kasi single and ready to mingle. Hanap po kami kung saan kami magla-lunch.
I wake up with a headache. I think I might have slept late last night. Put my face in to my pillow, saying sorry. I will make notes, I will fix my sleep schedule tonight. I might, I'll try, but now I just need to wipe the sleep out of my eyes.